over in Iran this morning. This is an incredibly high-stakes day for a pair of young Americans. These two young men were hiking along the Iran-Iraq border when they were arrested and accused of being American spies. They go on trial today, and it could lead to a lifetime in prison, or it could lead to their freedom. Simon McGregor-Wood has more from our London bureau. Simon, good morning.
Good morning, Dan. That's right. The trial finally underway in Tehran, and only two of the hikers still in detention. The third, Sarah Shourd, was released on $500,000 medical bail last September. She's being tried in her absence, all three being accused by the Iranians of espionage, which is a very serious charge.
Today's session was held behind closed doors in Tehran's Revolutionary Court. Even the Swiss ambassador, America's only diplomatic representative in Iran, was thrown out. The court is controlled by the Islamic Republic's hardline religious clerics. The Iranians say the three are spies, a charge that can carry the death sentence. All three have denied those charges. And there is hope that this trial may be the end of the ordeal, that they could be set free with time served. It's been a grueling 18 months for the three Americans, all of it spent in Tehran's notorious Evin prison. Fatal Bauer and Bauer's now fiancée, Sarah Shourd, were arrested by the Iranians as they hiked along the border with neighbouring Iraq. After 410 days in solitary confinement, the Iranians released Shourd on medical grounds after she discovered a lump in her breast. It was bittersweet freedom.
My disappointment at not sharing this with Shane and Josh was crushing. And I stand before you today only 1/3 free.
For the parents of Fatal and Bauer, the agonizing wait continues. Their mothers now campaign full-time for their freedom. They saw them last nearly a year ago. Shourd now leads the fight to free her fiancé and his friend. She's even appealed to Iranian President Ahmadinejad for their release. She still wears the makeshift engagement ring Bauer made for her. She showed us on Good Morning America just after her release.
Yeah, I'm still wearing it. It's just red and white from string from his T-shirt.
A sign of her faith that he will return home.
And that's a hope, of course, shared by the Obama administration, which is still locked in this long-running diplomatic conflict with the Iranians over their secretive nuclear program. Ultimately, many believe that the hikers' fate will be determined more by political interests than anything else.